Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to talk about another Google app called Google Drive. And so, what's Google Drive? A Google Drive is basically like a very big storage that contains all your Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides that you have created, received, or been shared with. So, how to access Google Drive on your Google Chrome, on your Chromebook. You can use Google Chrome and just click here on these curved dots and click here where it says Drive. It will open your Google Drive, or another way to do that is either was also swipe up on your screen and choose where it said Google Drive. It also create your open your Google Drive for you. So now that you have Google Drive open, so one of the things you can do in a Google Drive is come here where it says search and drive, and you can search any Google Doc you have, or any Google Doc, any Google Slide, any Google Sheet you have created or received or been shared with, and we find it. So let's see. For instance, we have here a document code is a document code is some tutorials. If I come here and be like I search this document, it will immediately come here and I can open it easily. So that said, you can basically search any document you have in here, on your Google Doc or any Google slide or sheet you have been shared with on your Gmail account. Now, moving on from that, on Google Drive, you can also create a folder in which you can store Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and also any other file you want or folder you want. So, to create a folder in Google Drive, you click here on New, and then you click here on Folder. So, here you type in the name of your folder. How do you want to name your folder? Let's say we name it Classy. So, you click here Create, and a new folder called class will be created. So to open this folder, you can all you have to do is just double click on it and to be opened. So since our folder is new, there is nothing in here. So you can either upload files or folders from your Chromebook to this folder in Google Drive, or you can even create new Google documents or new Google Sheets slides in here in this folder. To do that, let's say we start with how to upload a file or a folder from your Chromebook to this folder in Google Drive. You again come here on New and choose File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on what you want to upload. So let's say you want to upload a file, just click here on File Upload, and it opens to show you all the files you have. So let's say you want to upload this class project, you click on it, and then you choose Open, and here it is open uploaded. So here this file is already uploaded in here. So another thing is how to create a new Google Doc or a Google Slide or a Google Sheet in here in a folder. You can click here on new and then come here on a Google Docs, Google Sheets, depending on what you want to create. So let's say you want to create a Google Doc in here. Just come here on Google Docs, you point over this arrow and you choose blank document, and a new blank Google document is created, and it will also appear in that folder. So let's see, so let's name this blank document ABCCCC, press enter. If you come back here, this document is going to appear. So you see here, the Google document is already created in here. So there are a lot of things you can do in with the folders. Another thing you can do with the folders in Google Drive is that you can also share them. So the same way I've learned how to share Google Doc or a Google Slide, you can also go share a folder in a Google Drive. So you just click on the folder you want to share, and then you click on this icon right here, click on it, and here it says add people. As you have seen, just add, you put in the email address of the person you want to share that to. Let's say you share this to, it's this person. If you want to put in a short message, and then we click on send. So that means that the person I've sent it to is now shared also on this folder. So they can also edit it. They can add documents, create new documents as they want, because they have also total complete access on it. So that's basically more about, the basic features about Google Drive. But of course, there are many advanced features of this Google Drive, and you get to learn them as time goes by.